Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will interest on loans. In Islam, riba is strictly prohibited, considered a major sin, and the primary source of Islamic law. Quranic verses on riba. The Holy Quran explicitly condemned riba in several verses, highlighting its detrimental effects and emphasizing verses 161. Surah Al-Rum, Ayat 39. Whatever usually eating riba, feeding to other effect of riba. Riba is considered harmful to both